natural health for beginners.
How to make solid perfume. Want to smell amazing without using synthetic chemicals or alcohol-based sprays? Learn how to make your own natural solid perfume at home with this easy step-by-step tutorial, complete with exact quantities for perfect results every time. In this video, you'll discover the base ingredients you need, how to blend essential oils for a custom scent, the exact measurements for a smooth, long-lasting solid perfume, pro tips to store and apply your homemade perfume. Whether you're making it for yourself or as a thoughtful handmade gift, this DIY solid perfume is luxurious, portable, and 100% natural. Ingredients used, exact quantities. 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets. 1 tablespoon carrier oil, jojoba, sweet almond, or coconut. 15 to 20 drops essential oils, your choice of blend, lavender, rose, sandalwood, etc. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more natural beauty recipes.